Hello and welcome back to GOO Coding Academy. Yes, we are still learning about a selection control statement or just conditional control statement like if and if else. Those are what already learned. Now in this video we are going to focus about nested if. And actually, if you really understood how if works in Python, it's just simple to understand this nested if. Because whenever you hear this word nested, this means that is the statement running inside another statement. For instance, here on nested if, to mean that is if executed or running inside another if. Also, we'll see how nested loop works, where for loop executed inside another for loop. So without spending more time, let us start by just its syntax. Yes, its syntax is just simple, is if, then condition, as usual, like this one. Then you open this if. Then we run another if inside this if. So also if condition here. As you see, this if will execute inside another this one. Alright, I think this is clear. It's just if inside another if. Alright, so let us take a simple example. Yes, as an example, we are going to develop Python program that determine whether student is eligible for scholarship or not. Yes, here student will be eligible for scholarship if has at least 90% in marks, alright, and 88% in attendance. Alright, so those are conditions that we are going to check here in our program. Alright, so this means that the first if will check marks, and another if inside that if will check attendance. Alright, so here that's why you need to determine marks here. Marks, let us equal to integer. We need to cast it into integer. Then we use input, this one input function, and then ask user to enter his or her marks. Enter marks. Right? Yes, after getting marks, we need also to enter attendance. It's just marks of attendance out of 100. Also, we just need this statement, but here is just now attendance. Attendance will be equal to int, because we use also integer. Then input function with enter attendance marks. Alright, this one. Then after getting marks and attendance, now we can just check whether marks and attendance are meeting with our conditions. Alright, so for marks, remember that if here marks greater than or equal to 90, at this stage all is good. We need now to check on attendance condition. Alright, since marks is greater than or equal to 90, now let us check about attendance. Is where we need another if that will execute inside this if. Alright, so here what we need to do is also to determine another if here. We write if attendance now. Attendance is greater than or equal to 88, like this. Then here scholarship on this student will be approved. So that's why here we print here scholarship is approved, like this one, since he or she satisfied all of these two conditions. Marks are greater than or equal to 90, and also attendance is greater than or equal to 88. Here now these students will get scholarship. Alright, else here if this is not satisfied, here we need else. Here. Then we print attendance requirement not meet, because here is when this condition is not satisfied. Attendance condition here is not met. Alright, like this one. So this is our inside if statement with else. Alright, so also this condition is false. Now we'll print that max requirement is not met. So here we also need another else, one that will be executed when this condition is false. Alright, so write else here, then print max requirement is not met. This one. Alright, so this is how if else statement works. If we want to check or to use if statement inside another if statement, in that case we need to use nested if. Alright, so I think this is clear. Let us run and check how this program works. So what you can do is just to come here and click on this run icon. Yes, what we need to do first of all, as you see, we have to enter max. Alright, let us suppose enter like 85. This is one violating our condition, and attendance max may just enter 90. In this case, these students can't get scholarship because this condition is already violated for max. Remember that max should greater than or equal to 90. So that's why once you click enter here, you will see that max requirement is not met. So this, let me check. This one is one violated. All right, this is the message we are getting to mean that this condition is already violated because this student has 85 and we want students who has at least 90%. All right, so we can just close this like this one. Let us run it again. Now we may enter valid max. So let us enter like 90. This is valid for max, and also 92 here. Also this is valid for attendance max. So once we click enter, as you see, scholarship is approved because all of two conditions are satisfied. All right, so this is how our program working, and this is simply how nested if works. So I think this video is helpful for you. Don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, even suggestion, also let us know in comment section. So see you in the next lesson.